After watching the Forex Wealth Code webinar, I think it's a solid introduction to Forex trading for beginners. But it's important to approach it as educational content, not as a shortcut to guaranteed profits. In this video, I'll share exactly what I learned, what surprised me, what I liked, and who I think this free webinar is actually for. If you're searching for information about Forex Wealth Code, here's the short version. It's a free online webinar centered around a Forex trading strategy presented by Toshko Raychev, who is described on the sales page as a 3-time world trading champion. The webinar introduces the fundamentals of Forex trading, explains the strategy at a high level, and discusses how discipline and risk management play a role in trading decisions. Here are the biggest takeaways from the webinar. First, the webinar spends time explaining how the Forex market works, which is useful if you're completely new to currency trading. Second, there is a strong emphasis on having a repeatable process instead of making emotional trading decisions. Another thing I noticed is the discussion around risk management. Even if you have a strategy, protecting your trading capital is essential because losses are part of trading. The webinar also highlights example results to illustrate what's claimed to be possible with the strategy. It's worth remembering that these are promotional examples and shouldn't be viewed as guaranteed or typical outcomes. Actual results vary based on experience, discipline, market conditions, and many other factors. Overall, I found the educational portions more valuable than focusing on any performance examples. One of the most common questions people ask is Forex Wealth Code legit? From what I saw, it's a real educational webinar. Whether it's the right fit depends on what you're looking for. If you're expecting a guaranteed way to make money trading Forex, you'll probably be disappointed because no legitimate trading education can promise that. If you're looking for a structured introduction to Forex concepts and want to learn how experienced traders approach the market, it may be worth exploring. I think this webinar is best suited for complete beginners, people curious about Forex trading, anyone comparing different Forex education programs. It may be less useful for experienced traders who already have a well-developed trading system. So, what did I learn after watching the Forex Wealth Code webinar? I learned that the webinar focuses on introducing trading concepts, emphasizing discipline, and encouraging a structured approach to the market. While it includes promotional examples of potential outcomes, those examples should not be interpreted as guarantees. If you're interested in learning more, you can check out the free webinar using the link in the description. And if you enjoy honest reviews of trading courses, investing tools, and online business opportunities, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.